Alright, so say you guys got one of these little stupid, no, not these, little half moon jobbers. That thing right there. Half a moon, annoying as heck, try to tune some weird lawnmower, or you just like tuning on your stuff all the time and you don't want to reach in there. You want a nice little handy dandy knob like that I ordered and they don't fit. But yeah, you get a little handy dandy knob like that. So what I'm doing here, it's not a bad idea, but I don't say so myself, is I've chucked up in the benchtop lathe here. Look at that fanciness, benchtop lathe. My jet, make sure you have a spare one before you go doing this. I started with a rougher file and I started getting down. And I'm not pushing into it to cut the threads away. I'm just trying to hold square and push down. Turning the bit this way, so it's like you're filing this way, and then I'm advancing the file so I'm not clogging it up, hopefully. And I'm at the finer file now. So this is a piece of tubing that I had laying around, brass. It fits inside the bore of the carburetor. You make sure of that. Optimally, it would fit this a lot better. Ooh, we're getting dang close. That's why I wanted to start the video here. But so my plan is to get this cut down. Once I've cut it down, you got two. Ooh, look at that. I just need to cut the inside just a little bit more. I got a little excited, and I'm not holding square, so it's actually got a cone shape. Let me try to pay attention here. Try to just get down this inner part. It's a nice snug right there. That's it. I'm going to leave it alone. Excuse me. So you got two options. One, you could get some JB Weld, you know, the good old stuff. It's 5 minute. You might want to go something a little bit better than that, but put some 5 minute on it. I'd recommend only putting it in the tube. Put some masking tape or something around here so that's happy, and then well, you're not going to get goobers on it. And thread it in. Just be very careful. You get goobers on there, it'll ruin your day. That's why you should have a spare. Or two, you could go a route that I'm going to do and just solder it on. Solder likes a nice tight fit. It'll flow inside those areas. So if I flux up this, trying to look through the camera here, keep everything focused. If I flux up just the bit that I went and got excited about and trimmed down, if I flux that portion up there, put a little flux inside, put this on here, stand it up on end, make sure it's square as I could get it, then I could heat this portion around here, put solder in the end, and because solder is attracted to heat, it's just going to be like sweating pipe. I'm going to sweat this right down onto here. Hopefully the goal, we keep it off these threads. If I get on these threads, I'm going to be in trouble. So anyways, here we go. No, I'm going to keep this short. I don't want this to be a long video. You guys get the gist of this. That you could get it down, cut it down however you need to. A little bench top. Something like this is what you want to do. You want to keep it round. You don't want to try doing it, spin it in hand. Always cut towards your material, blah blah blah. It's not a lathing video. And then make sure the tube fits inside. You don't want it super long, so it's out there vibrating. You can fatigue and stress crack and come away. Actually, my plan is once I get this all done, I'm just gonna take the last 5-6 millimeters and print a little hex to go on the end of here, just so I got something to reach in and grab. And yeah, if you don't do that, maybe you just want to Sharpie or file a flat spot on here so you could help count your turns. You don't get lost. Anyways, this is Adventure Brad, and that's my Adventure Chew toy dog thing, and we are working on the Adventure Scoot Scoot. So you guys all have a good day now.